Good morning. Thank you for calling Mac Restaurant. This is Christine Joy speaking. How may I assist you?
Good morning. I'd like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly. May I have some information to complete the reservation?
Yes, of course.
First, what date and time of arrival would you like to make the reservation?
September 20, 5 p.m.
How many people will be in your reservation?
Yes, I'd like to book a table for 4 people.
Could I have your name, please, to person making the reservation?
So my full name is Chansingmi in Abi.
This includes your phone number and email address, please.
Contact number is 0955-1060-717.
Do you have any special requests for your reservation?
Nothing.
Thank you. Let me just confirm your reservation. Date of arrival is September 20, 2025. Time of arrival is 5 p.m. This is for persons under name of Jansini Abi. Your contact details is 0955-106-0710. Your email address is abiabi@gmail.com. Your special request is none. Is that all correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's all correct.
Excellent. Your reservation is confirmed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Thank you for choosing Mac Restaurant. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you and God bless.
Goodbye.